Whether he and Arn were breaking Ricky and Robert's faces up, it didn't matter. The Nate was always the Nate. And there's certain ways that you immortalize people. In our industry, they become WWE champion. They main event WrestleMania. They get inducted into the Hall of Fame.
Twice.
Some people twice. Probably with more to come.
Woo!
But if you really want to immortalize somebody, people will say it all the time. They will erect statues in your honor. Well, for you, we erect a statue in your honor. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the first time he sees this, and I just want to be clear. Sean just bet me some money that I would make him cry. It's not really that big of a challenge, because he will. But I don't even have to say anything, because I think when he sees this, he's going to cry anyway. Just know one thing. And over the years, you have gone from being my hero.
Aww.
He didn't say anything about making me cry. Shut up. My hero. My inspiration. To one of my best friends. This is about one thing. And it's about the one thing that you are about. And I know that more than anybody. And that one word was and is and always will be for you, respect.
Please don't
with
cry.
all the respect that he deserves, ladies and gentlemen, please feast your eyes on the Nature Boy.